Good morning, class. Welcome to the Lesson 2 overview for your cardboard relief unit. This video will discuss the tasks that need to be completed for this lesson so you can gain the highest understanding of the project and earn the most amount of points as possible. So your learning goals for this lesson are to document the stages of the creative process. That is going to guide this entire lesson, which I'll explain about in a little bit. Then you will experiment with different materials and processes to create a leaf. You'll be experimenting with your cardboard in different ways of adding texture and different planes to create this project. And lastly, develop your work, your project, by using your tools that are appropriate for the chosen materials. So specifically, you'll be using scissors. Not to say that other things can't be used, but we're just using scissors for this project to make sure we stay as safe as possible, since I'm not there to physically guide your production. All right, so essential question, why do artists experiment? We are thinking as to why an artist would experiment with different materials and techniques. All that is discussed in the videos below, but please make sure you are paying close attention to that, since we will be answering this question in your learning log at the end of the unit. And then lastly, your vocabulary for today is texture and sculpture. All right, so first, as always, watch the Lesson 2 vocabulary video, then answer your entrance ticket questions. Remember, you're doing all three for 3 points. You're answering what is texture, what is sculpture, and why do artists experiment. So this is basically a practice question, or this question is your central question for the whole project, but this is good practice to see what your answer is in Lesson 2 as compared to your final learning log when you're being assessed for 10 points instead of just 3. All right, and then once you've done both of those, watch the Lesson 2 instructional video that you always do because it is very important. And then in that video, I will discuss how you will be sending me 2 or more photos of your cardboard relief that document the different phases of production. So basically, in this last lesson, you submitted me the sketch of your relief. In this lesson, you're going to actually start making your relief, and you're going to take different pictures with your iPad that document different phases of your production. It doesn't need to be every time you cut a piece, but maybe 2, 3, 4 pictures to just document the different phases of how far you got by the end of this lesson. So I can just see the different phases, and then you can learn how to document that process. All right, so you'll send that to me to the Lesson 2 progress photo discussion so I can give you feedback. And for this assignment, for this lesson, you will need your original sketch paper. You will need a pencil to draw on the cardboard itself. You basically need everything other than the oil pastels. Remember, the scissors are the only thing I cannot provide to you, so please use a pair of scissors found from around the house to cut your cardboard, but everything else was provided to you in your art supply bag. All right, and as far as the actual navigation, once you exit this video, go to the Lesson 2 vocab video here, watch that. That'll give you the answers for your entrance ticket, number 3. Then go to number 4, watch the instructional video, and then number 5, submit your work here of taking pictures of your cardboard relief as you've worked on it over these last couple of days. All right, guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, please send me an email, let me know. I'm happy to help you guys however I can, and I will see you all in class in the video below, the vocabulary video. Sorry, it's been a long morning. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.